The National Weather Service in Las Vegas has issued a tornado warning for the following counties: Mojave County in northwestern Arizona, Clark County in southern Nevada, San Bernardino County in southern California. Until 12 a.m. Mountain Standard Time and Pacific Standard Time. At 9 o'clock, Doppler radar indicated a strong thunderstorm moving to the areas at in excess of 40 miles per hour. Stay indoors. Lightning is one of nature's most leading killers. Report severe weather to the Las Vegas National Weather Service via Facebook or Twitter.